Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart. This is the new stainless steel Surface Pro 18-inch. The whole unit is stainless steel. We've got a heavy duty bearing on the head itself. Turn it over, you can see the arms underneath. So we've got spinning bearing, you've got a nozzle either end which is just slightly off. Always make sure if you hit anything that they're back in the correct position. They only want to be just slightly off vertical downwards. This particular unit has 4 casters on as well. Stainless steel arms. It is very heavy duty, this particular unit. The actual arms as well, they're fully stainless steel. And you've also got a heavy duty trigger gun with the 3/8 quick release connector that will just snap straight onto your high pressure hose. And that's the 18-inch Surface Pro.